Today I wanted to talk about 3 things that I would do if I had to start fresh with my fitness. Number 1 is going to be get moving. You want to get started moving because that is where everything starts. It gets the blood flowing, it puts intention into the air because now you're doing something. You're saying, this is the direction I'm going. Walking is going to start to lower your insulin resistance, which is going to make it easier to burn fat. It's going to start to increase your activity, which is going to also start to make it easier to burn fat. It's going to increase your circulation, and that's going to make it easier for the nutrients to get through your body and just having an overall healthier heart. Next, I would figure out what my macros are. What are your macros? That simply means your calories that you're able to eat on a daily basis. That's going to break down into 3 categories. You're going to have your proteins, carbs, and fats. We'll talk about that in a minute. A simple way to do this is just start counting everything you eat for the next 2 weeks. That means everything that goes in your mouth. So if you eat a piece of candy, count it. Don't get weird about it. You've been eating like this for a while. Now I'll explain why you don't want to get weird about it. Because we're trying to find your current calorie intake. That way we can know where to adjust to make progress from there. If you start getting weird about it and you start going, oh, well, I don't do this and I don't do that, you might actually cut your calories too low, limiting your potential long-term to lose weight. So we want you to diet on the highest amount of calories possible, which means that you're going to keep that calorie intake high, and we want it to be accurate because we are going to take some calories out of there or add some calories based on things, and we want accurate numbers. So that means you count everything that goes in. You take cookies, snacks, condiments, all that kind of stuff, track it so you get an idea of how many total calories you're eating on a regular basis, because that's what your body is used to eating currently. So that's where we'll make adjustments from. If you're having trouble with this or the concept of it, and you'd rather just do it with a little bit of math and get a rough idea, I've got a calculator on my website. I'll link it up down in the comments. The third thing I would do is I would start eating 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. It's going to help you with your body composition. It's going to help with losing weight. It's going to help with muscle recovery. It's going to help with just generally everything you want to do when it comes to your fitness goals, and it's going to help get you on the right track. The reason I would start with those 3 things is 1, movement is very core to everything we do, so you need to be moving. 2, understanding your calories is going to make it easier to increase your weight or lose weight because you have an accurate understanding of where you're at, and you're not just relying on the idea of, well, I tried to eat healthy. 3 is with the 1 gram per pound of body weight, I just think it's one of those things that's so important to getting started. So I think those 3 things are very core when it comes to getting started and helping you get in the right direction while keeping it simple.